come on. Wait. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Ma, paano ako ng charger dyan, ma? Tapos yung square na ulo. Paano ako charger, ma? Tapos square na ulo. Lobat na po sa cellphone mo eh.
Awet is still holding you. Yes.
Tapos mo ako. Kasi naroon mo ako ng square na ulo.
Sorry na tagal. Kaya, as you see, next live ko ay ito. Ang Boss Revenge. Kaya, kung bago ka pala sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Kaya, let's play the game. At, siyempre magkano lang tayo ng one player kasi matapang tayo. No. Give one player kasi matapang tayo. Okay. Time check, it's 2:01 ng gabi. Madaling araw niya. It's the same thing. Let's go. Boss Revenge. Feedboo. Hello, boo. Happy birthday, dude. Oh, sorry. Where is the... Boo? Boo! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Ah! Bahala na. Boo! Oh, no. Oh, hindi. Interactive. Bro, where's the apple? Yeah, apple. He wants apple. Here. Here. Isa pa? Pag gusto mo. Pwede ko pala buhati si Poo eh. Dito ka, birthday boy. Birthday boy, come here. No. I don't care. Okay. Let's feed Bo, burger. No, sandwich. Ayo. Yum. Oh no, that sandwich, this is burger. Yum. One more. Apple. Apple, okay. Let's go. Feed him. Washbowl, come here, dude. Here, dito ka. Dito ka. Okay, wash with soap. Eh. Okay. Now, boo. You need some bath, dude. Yeah. Okay, okay. Hindi ba tatanggal? Okay. Ay! You didn't wash properly. Paano ko ba siya malalapag na maayos? Dude, hindi kita masabon na maayos. Alam mo ba? Alam mo ba yun? Hindi kita masabon na maayos. Kasi ang gulo-gulo mo. Ang gulo mo. Ang gulo-gulo mo. Ayoko na nga. Dude, thank you. No, face here. Yeah, let's go. Linisin ko diba to? No. Uy! Ba't ka nandyan? Okay. Bow is washed. Give bow medicine from the bathroom drawer. Okay, stay here, bow. Huwag ka magali. Bathroom drawer. Oh, okay. Okay, bow. Here you go. So what's next? No. Here. Play with ball using the balls. Ball. No. Huwag ito pala sa umana pala. Ball. Oh no. Ball. Here, ball. Sleep here. Put bow to bed and sleep. Notification. Turn off the lamp and interact now na hindi ko nabasa lahat. Where your paw? Okay. Paw here. You sleeping? Where paw sleep here? Saan natutulog kasi po dito? Oh. Good night. Good night. Put bow to sleep. I did it. Gusto mo sapakin ko to? Nasa bed niya eh. Pwede. Come on, go. Sleep already. Oh, I go to sleep. Check who is at the door. Here. Lakasan natin konti. Feed Bo and Bowlina. Bowlina? Bowlina! 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 Oh. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Siyempre, kay Bow yung ano, busog. Ay, yung ano, vegetarian si Bowlina. Okay. Okay. Bowlina. Elko Bow. And for Bowlina. Oh. Oh. Bowlina. You go, Bowlina. Okay, let's go. Here go, Bow. Oh. Okay, there you go. No. Bow. Bow, here you go. Yeah. Eat it, dude. Eat. Okay. Bowlina. Here, here is cheese for you. Bowlina. No. You did not eat the cheese. No. No. Okay. Now, give me this. Oh no. There's no food anymore. No? Anything in the drawer? What's this? Dude. Oh no. Okay. I think, yeah. No. What? So, ano yung papakain ko sa inyo? There's no apple. There's no food. Eat. No. Ay, ikaw na ba next? Bowlina? You don't wanna eat too? Bowlina? Eat. Okay. Go to buy grocery. Okay. Added by grocery. Find Bowlina. Bowlina? Oh. Put Bow to bed. Okay. Bowlina is gone. Turn off the light. Okay. Oh. Investigate behind the shelf. Eh. No, what shelf? What shelf? Oh. Na?
Bo is looking. Looking at what? What the? Bo is looking. Bo, what are you looking at? Bo, why you look like that? Bo, you look big. Bo, what are you looking at? Nakakuha ko ng libro kanina. Nakakuha ko ng notebook kanina. Hindi na alam ko na saan. Oh, well, by that was okay. Okay, that's it. No. 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 Maybe no. 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 What do you want me to do? Dude. What do you want me to do? Take this. Take this. Take this. Take this. Bo. Come here, Joy. You do that. Why are you looking at? Gonna sleep? You look tired. No. Fuck. No. Dude. Bo is looking. What do you want me to do? What? Do you want to eat, Bo? Do you want to eat? No. I think investigate the shelf. I think you need to go here. And I'll open this. Something. Oh! Don't look, okay? Okay. Okay, let's go. Gulat ako. So, to do, take the fluid from the kitchen drawer and the ray gun from the playroom. Tap press the second mouse button or click button R2 to open. Vote. Sleep ka. Wait, I want to eat. Eh. Oh. Okay. No. Oh. I get it, I get it. Sabi kasi, take the fluid from the kitchen drawer and the ray gun from the playroom. Ano? Ray gun. Ray gun, ray gun. Go back to bedroom. Tapos, exit through the front door. Nah, he's way too fast. Turn on the stove. Run. Oh my god. Oh, place the ray gun on the couch. God. Make Bo step on the exit, 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 exit. Oh, will that wish quick? Another 20 minutes, dude. You survive from the jealous, you, from your jealous buddy. Continue. Oh, so it's not just safe. So, nangyari? So, ano na natin si what? Uh, um, what am I supposed to do? What? Akin. Ayaw mong pindot naman. Ayaw din mo mapindot ito. So, it's that it. Well, another 20 minutes kaya kung nagustuhan niyo video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya sa panibago kong live na I think magiging maikli lang yun at yeah, bye-bye.